in, guys. So today, I told you in maybe a previous video or something, a few videos back or something, I told you that I bought the iPhone SE 2 2020. Well, that is here in this box. I told you 3 weeks or something. It came actually early. Today's May 5th.
And guys, actually his birthday is 5 days away. And I actually wouldn't tell you before he said anything. But we may think this is the iPhone. We don't know yet. But like we're gonna find out.
Yes, because
it's in a box.
Me and Kaylee were thinking, what if it's like a present for me or something?
Yeah.
But
and that's gonna be like bad.
So this is the thing. Cameron is so excited to be opening this box. Let's just get on right to the unboxing. So guys, so it's in this brown box. We're gonna go ahead and open that box first, not on camera, and then we'll show you guys us taking it out of this box. Guys, it's the iPhone SE, so it's right behind here. So it's in this little thing right here. So
we're gonna take it out now.
I think we just like take it out. It's the iPhone SE 2 2020.
And it's gonna be mine.
Yes. We'll figure it out who it's gonna be for. It is the iPhone SE 2 2020, 64 gigabytes. So let's just get on and open the pull tab. So Apple has been very nice to us again, and they have given us this pull tab. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this.
That sounds so satisfying.
Satisfying?
Ow. Not too long ago, but we unboxed my iPhone
XR. Yes,
yeah.
That is.
Go check that one out.
It's not on YouTube yet, but as of right now, it feels really easy to get off. But guys, this is the black version. So Kaylee is going to be opening the lid.
I just hold it because
it's pretty little. It's not really like Apple too. Yes, it does. Okay, so oh yes, I'm gonna open it actually.
See how slow that is?
Okay, so he's going to take it out, and I'm going to tell you about it.
So Caden's going to talk, and I'll just... So we have our Designed by Apple in California thing. You can't see it because it's so light.
Designed by Apple in California.
You see the light there, and then I'm going to just take it off.
Okay, well, don't look at the phone yet, guys. Don't.
No looking at the phone.
Okay, so here. Designed by Apple in California. Let's get onto it. Open it. It's just the original Welcome to iPhone. So it has your Welcome to iPhone. It just tells you everything about it, and we'll be going. I'll be doing a review. Then we have our SIM card remover. If you have a SIM card, and this little thing that no one ever reads, the Apple stickers. So we're gonna go ahead and put all these things back in the box.
It's right.
So guys, this is the phone, and it has a little line like it does for the iPhone XR, but I wonder why. But it is a home button phone. So Kaylee is going to just pull this tab right here.
Oh wait. As you see, we have the, oh my gosh, I haven't seen this one yet. But we have the Apple sign. It's black, so you can see it a little.
Guys, this iPhone sign, usually there would be an iPhone under it, and it would be like higher. But Apple has taken away that, so it's on the new phone. So this is gonna be really cool. It's so tiny compared to the XR that I'm actually currently using right now. It's actually my current phone. So we're gonna peel the wrapping right now. So how it's gonna work? Kaylee's gonna peel the back, and I'm gonna peel the front. So go ahead, peel it, Kaylee, so they can see it on camera.
Do you hear that? That is like, it's so nice. I want the
We're also quiet because we're doing ASMR. This is also a first impression video, so this is my first impression. Okay, let's talk about the accessories in the box before I scream. It is like the iPhone 11. It does not come with the USB-C, like the big charging brick. No, it does not. It just comes with our USB-C charging bricks. It's only me now. So guys, we do have this, and then you just peel it, and it comes off. So this is the USB-C brick, charging brick. It does also come with our headphones, not AirPods, earpods. And it does come with our USB to lightning cable. The lightning cable end right here, and then the USB end right here. So let's set that all aside. So guys, sorry if the camera's crooked, but I just went ahead and put everything back in the box. Guys, we have all the plastic, and it's just me now. We're also going to be doing a review. So this was an unboxing, first impressions, and review video. So let's just do a size comparison of the iPhone SE to 2020. I can't believe I'm saying that, and it's here in my hands. Like, just a size comparison. It might be a little bigger. This might be a little bigger because it has the case on, but just look at that. So now we're going to set the iPhone aside and do a little review. So guys, now we're going to talk about all the buttons and everything, and it's just, I'm amazed. So the side button right there, I don't know if you can see that, but you can hold to turn on phone when you're like turning it on, but I'm going to be doing a setup video, which will be the next video after this, and then you can press to sleep or wake. Or you can just click the home button to sleep or wake. And this phone does feature Touch ID, so when we set up Touch ID, we'll be able to do this, and it will turn on. So guys, this button up here, I don't know if you can see it, this one, it's like a switch. That is the silent button, so you can turn that on or off. And also on the same side, there is the volume button right here, up or down. And if you guys want any more tips that I haven't explained, if you buy the iPhone SE 2 2020, there's a tips app on the phone. If you click on that, it will tell you all about your brand new phone. But hopefully I do a good job about telling you guys about everything. Okay, so guys, with the iPhone SE, you couldn't like set it on one of those platforms, face up, and it will charge. You can now do that on the iPhone 2 2020. Woo! You can now do that. You can just set it up. Or you can use that little lightning connector that I showed you before. Let's talk about pricing. So the phone, it costs $399 with the 64 gigabytes. You can upgrade it, and I'm pretty sure it will get higher. The price will get higher. So starting at $399, and when you trade in a phone, it is $299. So that's pretty cool. It's like if I wanted to trade in my iPhone XR to keep this phone, I could do that. For me, the price was $422 because of tax. So these backs have durable glass and it has an aluminum design, so you guys can see the glare there. So I'm just kind of trying to keep that as clean as I can. So the screen is 4.7 Retina HD display, so that's pretty cool. It will give a nice little screen. So the iPhone SE has the same Bionic chip as the iPhone 11. So it has the A13 Bionic chip. So basically what Apple did is they put the iPhone 11 onto an iPhone SE body. So basically the camera and the screen and everything's the same. The screen might be a little bit different, but the touch thing is the same. Just they put the iPhone 11, so now it has portrait mode, and we'll get more deep into that, and a better screen, and it has different sides, those bezels. So as I just said, it now features portrait mode. You can use natural light, studio light, contour light, stage light mono, key light mono. So the audio on this thing is awesome too, so that has a really good audio. So this now features highest 4K video with this tiny camera. It all just does feature quick take, so when you hold so like if you're taking a photo and you hold it down, it turns into a video. And this button, it doesn't feel like you're clicking on it. Touch ID will let you access all your cards and to be safe and all that. So the iPhone SE is water resistant for up to 1 meter of water and 30 minutes. And this battery life on this thing is really good. The iPhone SE lets you watch up to 13 hours of video on single charge. So I'm pretty sure that charger that I just showed you, this charging brick, is 18 watts. So it could go from 50% in 30 minutes only. This one is built for iOS and beyond. I got the black, but it also does come in white and red. So black, white, and red. Yes. So the screen does feature True Tone if you do like that. You can use haptic touch, which means you can press and hold an icon for shortcuts, and a slight vibration makes it feel like pressing a real physical button. So this does come with faster Wi-Fi and cellular data, and you can also do audio sharing, stereo, audio recording, and augmented reality. And now if you do go to the apple.com, I'll show you. You can actually see the iPhone in AR. That's all for that review. So before you guys leave, I just want to tell you guys, when I heard that this iPhone SE was coming out, and I just had started my tech channel, I was like, yes, it's a huge way for me to rise up my tech channel. I get a lot of views because a lot of tech channels are going to be buying the iPhone SE. A lot of people are going to be wondering about it. So why not just get it and test it for my channel? So guys, I would like to get a lot of likes on this videos. Hopefully I gain some good subscribers, like a lot of subscribers, guys. And I hope you watched this video till the end. And if you did, I want you to comment down below, #phone emoji. So guys, thanks for coming to this video. Please give this video a huge like. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell notification, click all so you get all my notifications when they come out. I'll be answering all my comments. As of right now, I'll be posting every Tuesday and Friday. So I'll see you guys back here on Tuesday for another video. Bye, guys.